everyone. I'm excited to be here with you as today I am sharing 4 simple activities you can do at home to get your young toddler moving. So if you have a young toddler between the ages of 12 and 15 months, this is the video for you. My name is Leslie. I am a Montessori certified guide. I've been teaching in the classroom now for almost 8 years. And most importantly, I am a mother to a 15-month-old. I am also incorporating Montessori at home, and you can catch all of my family's adventures and Montessori inspired lifestyle on my Instagram page. If you have a young toddler, you probably know that during this time, they are just eager to move. It could be that your young toddler is now taking their very first steps, or it could be that they are now running. Remember that every child develops at their very own pace, and it's important that we embrace their development and be able to meet them wherever they are in that stage of their development. We should never expect a young toddler to always be sitting or to always be calm or to always be physically in one place. It's important to understand that they are in this stage of development where they need to move, having that they are trying to strengthen those gross motor muscles. They're trying to strengthen the muscles of their body that are going to help them with different tasks, not just for this stage of development, but for their lifetime. If you are incorporating Montessori at home, you have probably heard the terms freedom of movement and maximum effort. Now, these two terms just go hand in hand. Having that maximum effort is this innate desire for toddlers, specifically young toddlers, to exert energy, having that what they are really trying to do is to gain a lot of strength in their body so that they can use that muscle strength to walk and to run, along with other things like kick a ball, be able to pull things, be able to swing, if they're playing with a bat, and all those sort of activities. As a mama, I know that sometimes it can be hard to keep up with your child. So the very first thing that we have been doing at home, and it has been very effective, is to allow my 15-month-old daughter to push things around the house. So we have given her the opportunity to push our laundry basket around the house. And initially she would just push the basket, the empty basket, but now that she has refined more of those big muscles of her body, we have to add some weight so that she is really getting that maximum effort. There's a high chance that you already have a laundry basket at your house, so there's no need for you to go out and buy an expensive toy that is going to fulfill this need. But if you don't have a laundry basket, you can always get an empty box, and of course make sure that it's taped so that it's safe, and maybe you can add some weight to the box and you can just have your child push it around the house. The other thing that we have been incorporating here at home, and it has been incredibly helpful, is allowing my daughter to push a big round yoga ball. Now, I've had one here for just a few years as I've used it to exercise, and I used it throughout my pregnancy. And so this big yoga ball is perfect because it's so big in proportion to her body, but she is able to push the yoga ball and roll it around the house. If you don't have a big yoga ball at home, maybe you can use just a regular sized ball. If you have a young toddler who is now walking, they can push it around, they can kick it around the house. I have a soft, small ball so that she can use that, and I can feel safe that she's not going to knock over things or break anything in my house. If you have a young toddler between the ages of 12 and 15 months who is not walking yet, you can use a small, round, soft ball to have them roll it and push it so that they can really exercise those muscles. You can use it as a form to encourage them to walk or to even crawl towards you. The third thing that I recommend that you do so that you can allow a lot of that movement is allow your child to play with, I call this a lawnmower. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but a toy where they can push around. There's also some of those pretend grocery carts that are perfect for little ones. You can have them just push that around the house. You can have them run around if your young infant is there with one of these toys. It'll be safe for them to use, it'll be fun for them to use, and you are going to be fulfilling that need that they have to just move around. And the last thing you can do is a toddler-led walk. Now this is super simple. Basically what you do is you allow your toddler to lead you in a walk. And this can be done in your backyard, it can be done at the park, or even just down the street from where you live. A toddler-led walk is so important, not just because it helps them move around, but it also allows them to explore on their own. Now this will require that you are patient, having that most of the time child-led walks are very slow, and your young toddler is probably going to want to explore the rock that they see on the floor. They're going to want to just pick up the stick that's on the floor. And so it could be that your walks are 15-20 minutes and you only walk a short distance. Now the idea behind this is of course that freedom of movement, but also it gives them that independence to freely explore, and it's giving them that confidence to lead you and maybe your whole family on a short walk. And so if you have a young toddler that is just moving and has this innate desire to move, these are some simple ideas that for the most part don't cost you anything. So I hope that you have enjoyed them. Please feel free to check out my Instagram channel where I share all of my Montessori at home adventures. I also have an infant course that I have put together where I share some play ideas for children between the ages of 3 and 12 months. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day and I'll see you soon. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.